Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Internet data connections problem on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. The most common reason for connectivity trouble is network problems. This can be caused by problems with the Wi-Fi router, such as incorrect settings and signal interference. So how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open Please Settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, please scroll down. And then here you can select General Management option. And then in this section, you can choose Reset options here. And then you can reset mobile network settings. And then you can click Reset Settings. Okay, so now you can try to restart your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Internet data connections problem on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.